Hey y'all! Welcome back to another episode of Delicious and Nutritious Living. Today we're diving into the world of breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Whether you're a morning person or someone who hits the snooze button a few too many times, I've got some fantastic breakfast ideas that are quick, easy, and super healthy. If you're looking to start your day on the right foot, you're in the right place. Mornings can be tough, but with the right fuel, you can turn them into the best part of your day. Imagine waking up to a beautiful sunrise, stretching out all the sleepiness, and knowing you have a delicious breakfast waiting for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 healthy breakfast ideas that'll keep you energized and ready to tackle anything. These recipes are not only nutritious, but also incredibly tasty. So let's get started and make your morning something to look forward to. First up, we've got the classic avocado toast. This is a breakfast staple for a reason. It's quick, it's easy, and it's packed with nutrients. Just toast some whole grain bread, mash up an avocado, and spread it on thick. Whole grain bread is a great source of fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied. The avocado is rich in healthy fats, which are essential for brain health and keeping your skin glowing. Sprinkle with some sea salt, black pepper, and a dash of red pepper flakes if you like a little kick. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for some extra zing. The combination of creamy avocado and crunchy toast is just perfect. It's simple, filling, and packed with healthy fats that'll keep you satisfied till lunchtime. Plus, it's so versatile. You can top it with a poached egg, some cherry tomatoes, or even a sprinkle of feta cheese for added flavor. Next, let's talk about overnight oats. This is a game changer for busy mornings. You prepare it the night before, and it's ready to go when you wake up. Mix rolled oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of honey in a mason jar. The oats soak up the liquid overnight, becoming soft and creamy. Chia seeds add a boost of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning you've got a delicious grab-and-go breakfast. It's perfect for those days when you're running late but still want something nutritious. Top it off with your favorite fruits and nuts for added crunch and flavor. Berries, bananas, and a handful of almonds or walnuts are my go-to toppings. You can also add a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. Third on the list is a green smoothie. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrition into one glass. Blend up some spinach, a frozen banana, a scoop of protein powder, and a cup of almond milk. Spinach is loaded with vitamins and minerals, and the banana adds natural sweetness and creaminess. The protein powder helps keep you full and supports muscle recovery. It's a fantastic way to sneak in those leafy greens, and the banana makes it creamy and sweet. You can also add a spoonful of nut butter or some flax seeds for extra nutrients. Perfect for a quick, nutritious breakfast on the move. Just pour it into a travel cup, and you're good to go. It's like having a portable salad in a glass. Now, how about a veggie omelet? Omelets are a great way to start your day with a protein punch. Whisk up some eggs, throw in diced bell peppers, onions, and spinach, and cook it all up in a skillet. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, and the veggies add fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's protein-packed and full of vitamins, plus you can customize it with your favorite veggies. Add some mushrooms, tomatoes, or even a bit of cheese if you like. It's a hearty breakfast that'll keep you going all morning. Last but not least, we've got Greek yogurt with honey and granola. This is a quick and easy breakfast that's also incredibly satisfying. Spoon some creamy Greek yogurt into a bowl, drizzle with honey, and sprinkle with your favorite granola. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which are great for your gut health. It's a delightful mix of textures and flavors that'll keep you coming back for more. You can also add some fresh fruit or a handful of nuts for extra crunch and nutrition. So there you have it, folks. 5 healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Each one is packed with nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied. Try them out and let me know your favorites in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you customize these recipes to make them your own. Remember, breakfast is the foundation of a great day. Starting your morning with a nutritious meal sets the tone for healthy choices all day long. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Hey y'all! If you loved those first 5 breakfast ideas, you're in for a treat because I've got a few more delicious and healthy options to add to your morning routine. Let's dive right in. Our first new idea is a smoothie bowl. It's like a smoothie but with a twist. Blend up some frozen berries, a banana, and a splash of almond milk until it's nice and thick. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, coconut flakes, and fresh fruit. It's a refreshing and nutritious way to start your day, and it looks absolutely stunning. The best part? You can mix and match your favorite toppings to create your perfect bowl. Next, let's talk about breakfast burritos. These are perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick and portable. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, avocado, and salsa. It's a hearty and satisfying meal that's packed with protein and fiber. You can make a batch ahead of time and freeze them, so all you have to do is heat one up and you're good to go. Last but not least, we have chia pudding. This one is great because you can prepare it the night before. Mix chia seeds with coconut milk and a touch of maple syrup. Let it sit overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a creamy and delicious pudding. Top it with fresh berries and nuts for added flavor and texture. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. There you have it, folks. 3 more healthy breakfast ideas to keep you energized and ready to tackle the day. Remember, breakfast doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With a little bit of planning, you can enjoy nutritious and delicious meals every morning. Try them out and let me know your favorites in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.